Hello folks, this is Kyle's Speed 1 coming from Fort Worth. And I wanted to show off a little car that I just got through messing around and building, and it's a Triumph TR4 from a kit that I ordered off of eBay. And I'll show you the box and all that here in a little bit. But I thought it might be neat to actually show you this little car that was in a kit, and it's resin. I had to order the guide and braid, the motor, the axles, and the ring gear to complete the model. But it did come with tires and it did come with rims. Okay. And there's the tires and rims. But yeah, wanted to also prove that it does actually move. There's not a magnet in it. And with the way my track is, it really needs a magnet. Oop, now went off of went off the road. Okay, so I'm gonna grab the little car and show you some of it. Yeah, comes with headlights. I had to paint the grille. It comes with the turn signal indicators, and I had to paint the side marker here and the door handle and the tail lights. I had to paint them also. The decals are some that I had left over. The green is just rattle can paint. I forget what the manufacturer of the silver is, but it paints like chrome. It looks actually pretty decent. And it comes with a little exhaust pipe. Okay. And then on the underside, here's the underside. Yeah, need to straighten it out. It screws in, 2 screws in the back, 1 screw up front. I forget what the name of the guide is, but you know, it works. Like I said, this thing really actually needs a magnet because it just does not like the way my track is. It's still fun to drive it and play with it and what have you, but I actually do love this kit. So once again, it's of a Triumph TR4, and you'll see it on eBay. It's sold by a guy on eBay by the name of Juan, and he lives in Spain. And this is the kit that I bought off of eBay. It's called Track Days. Handmade 132nd cars. Sorry. Here you go. RSC slot cars. I think that I'm not even going to try to pronounce that name, but this is the guy that's name that he uses on eBay. And like I said, his name is Juan, and he lives in Spain. I just ordered a Porsche 132nd scale 356 Roadster, which I'll be excited to start building that one. But yeah, I wanted to show you the car. It's an excellent little kit. I had to make the roll bar, and everything comes in the white, so to speak. So you have to paint the car and detail it, put the decals on. Yeah, there's a Gulf sticker, and it's got the old-timey racing wheels on it. You got a Fram filter sticker. You got red gloves, and a white outfit with black goggles on, and I painted the interior. It even comes with a stick shift. See that silver knob? That's so cool. It's a pretty detailed little kit. So anyway, that's all I got for you today. Bye for now from Kyle Speed 1. I'll talk to you later. Bye.